Greetings, words and expressions to say hi or hello in English. There are many different ways to say hi or hello to someone. Here are some of the common greeting that you can use when you meet someone. Formal greetings. Hello. How are you? Nice to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. I am pleased to meet you. Informal greetings. Hey. What's up? How's it going? What's going on? How's your day? Good to see you. Greeting after a long time. It's been a long time. Hey, it's so good to see you again. It's been such a long time. I'm fine, thank you. I am doing good, thank you for asking. And you? Great, thank you. How are you doing? Not bad. And you? Awesome, thank you. Good to see you again.